guys, welcome back to my channel. Now this is also another most requested video from my friends only, because many of my friends are moms and they are super busy all the time running behind their toddlers and their babies, and they always ask me how can we look all decked up in a very less time. And I am going to create the super easy makeup look. I have created the super easy makeup look for all of you busy moms. So if that interests you guys, please stay tuned till the end and keep on watching. And before that guys, you know what to do. Please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button for this video as well. Now this is a super universal look, not only for busy moms, it is going to be useful for your virtual meetings and your, everyday you can pull off this look. You can, wear this look to your office also. It is a super universal look. So do give it a try guys. It's super easy and super quick. I have achieved this look in less than 10 minutes with the minimum products. So now that was a very long ass intro, so let's just dive into the video now. So to begin with, I have already prepped my skin. I have used moisturizer and sunscreen, and now I'm just going to spot conceal my under eye area and my dark spots. So for that I'm using MAC Studio Fix Concealer. It's in the shade SP45. So I'm just going to take a little bit and spot conceal my dark circles and my acne spots. I'm going to use a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, and just blend it out. You can totally skip this step if you don't have too many dark spots or dark circles. You can directly move on to foundation. Now it is important that you use a full coverage foundation to create this look. So I'm using L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. It's in the shade Caramel Beige. So I'm just going to take some and dot it all over my face. And going to blend it out. You can also use your fingers or beauty blender. It is easier to blend with the brush, so I blend it with the brush, and it is faster also. And we have to create this look in a very less time, so I'm using the brush. Now generally if you use this foundation you don't need to set it because it sets well and it doesn't make your face look oily, but if you have oily skin or if you have oily T-zone, you can do this step, and if you have used a lot of concealer, still you need to use this step. So I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Compact, and I'm just going to pack my concealer. So I'm just going to take this damp beauty blender. Again, you can use the same sponge that it comes with, and you can just dab it like this on your face and pack your foundation and concealer. Just take the tiniest amount if you want this look to, if you want it to give a natural look. Next I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. For that I'm using Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. This is so gorgeous, guys. It's a retractable one. Just fill in your eyebrows and follow your natural eyebrow shape. I also have a separate eyebrow tutorial if you want to watch how to do your eyebrows. And it's a very beginner friendly, so it will be very helpful for you guys. I'll link it in the description box down below so you can check it out. Just use a spoolie brush like this and groom your eyebrows. Next, I'm going to use this gorgeous blush palette. You can use any blush of your choice. So I'm just going to use this palette and apply blush on my cheeks. So I'm using this shade and I'm just going to apply it. This is a very pigmented one, so just make sure that you go in with a very little product and take it upwards like this and blend it. Now for eyeshadow also I am going to use the same shade, the same blush shade that we have used, and I am just going to put it on all over my eyelids. You can use any blush that you have or any particular shade of blush that you have. You can use the same as blush and also as an eyeshadow. And you don't need blending technique for this. You can also use your fingers and just dab it like this on all over your eyelids. And just take the same brush and drag some product on the lower lash line also, so it looks complete. Next I'm going to use a highlighter. I'm using Wet n Wild's Mega Glow highlighter. It's in the shade Precious Petals, a beautiful highlighter. So I'm just going to use this brush, fan brush, and apply it on the apple of my cheeks. You can also use your fingers to apply it. Some on the tip of your nose and on forehead. And I'm also going to take a little bit of amount and I'm going to just put it on my eyeballs, so it will make your eyes look more open. If you want to keep the look a matte eyeshadow look, then you can skip this step, but if you want to add that extra shimmer to your eye look, you can add this highlighter. Next I'm going to use a mascara. I'm using Maybelline's Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara, and this will completely change your look, guys. You see the difference? It immediately glams up any look. Finally, the lipstick. I'm using Maybelline's Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is the Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Sensationally Me. So go for any nice fresh pink or mauve or nude shade to complete this look. It will look very nice and natural and very subtle. And you can never go wrong with a nude lipstick. So here we come to an end of this video, guys. I hope you liked watching this super easy and quick makeup look, especially my busy moms. Do give it a try, guys. It's super easy and fun to do, and I did it in less than 10 minutes. So do give it a try and let me know in the comments down below, and also let me know what all you want to watch from my end. And I am going to end my video here, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.